People asking me about Morocco through flight. Okay, we have African Cup of Nation, which is 21st of this month, December. So many people will enter here in Morocco through that African Cup of Nation. At least the thing is not easy for many people that want to come to Morocco. First of all, you download that Yala app. The Yala app is in the Play Store. Go to Play Store. Type it there, you will see it. YALLA. After downloading it, you now create your account. If you open it, there is two steps there. You will see e-visa and you will see fans ID. Don't go for the e-visa yet. First of all, create your fans ID. They will show you your first name, surname, email address, password, and date of birth. After I have filled this form finish, that means now you have created your Yala fans ID. After that, you will now scan your passport. They will ask you, do you have a passport? You will see there, yes. They will now ask you ordinary visa or diploma visa. You click the ordinary visa. They will now scan your front passport. You open your front passport and you scan it. The thing will scan. You will now turn your front passport, the golden this thing there. They will now capture it. You will now scan it. After that, you will now provide your bank statement. You will provide your bank statement. After your bank statement, you will now put your flight reservation and hotel reservation. After that, you will now book your match ticket. After this, you will now wait till they approve your visa. Maybe 1 or 2 days, they will approve your visa. That stuff is not even hard to do. If you do it today, before 2 days, the visa is out. Many people have gotten their visa, and before 18th now, most people will be coming to Morocco because this African Cup of Nation, most people use them come to Morocco. For some people, probably one from here to Ama. For some people that want to from here to Ama to away, it's possible too. But now your money kill them. Your money. Oh, your money. At least if you hold up to 3.5, you come from here, easy access. Yeah, for some people too that want to jump. That first is not easy. I will never go that first. Go say easy. Security where they there. Child, God. One of my guy that went there last 2 weeks, come back. The security, the guy did not even read the fence. Along that road, just towards that village side. The security, they just flash torch. That their torch, there is something like camera in that their torch, that police torch, that Morocco police torch. If they flash you that torch, the thing will detect that somebody is there. Even you hide in that bush, as they flash you that torch, the thing will indicate in their hand, the thing will vibrate that somebody is there, and they will go there with their dog and look for. So that fence is not easy if you're coming because of fence. My dad, the fence is not easy. The fence is not easy unless you have your money for water. Those people that want to use water, and that one is still possible. When your money killer, your money killer, man. If you're coming, because most people, most agents, some of them are scam. So be careful who you ask question and who is your agent that is taking you through? Let the gang, let the gang collect your money and they will not push you again. No. Most people just come here. Some people say are stranded. Most people agents dupe them because of pushing. You understand? So if you're looking for a pusher man, just be careful. Be very, very careful because most people most people are also looking for money to push. So I'm just giving you this advice in case you're here. Thank you. Please, if you're watching this video, share and comment.